Hello everybody out there, my name is Tony, and today we're going to make an espresso on my espresso machine. As you can tell, I have the part that holds your espresso. I put it in there already. I just gave it a very light pat down, okay, and then I went under the machine and gave the espresso a good twist under here. And then I pushed the start button. Of course, it's going to blink a while. Make sure you have a cup under here. And this can do a single cup or it can do a double cup. Okay, as soon as that light goes solid, right here where I'm pointing, we're gonna see right now it's still blinking, but in just a moment it may take a little while to heat up. There we go. Then I push the button to start making the espresso. And there you have it. We just made a cup of wonderful Italian espresso. Thank you very much for listening to my video. I'll catch you next time.